Hello YouTube. This is my first video in a long, many years. I had a flash sync cord on my Novatron studio light set to break on me. So I figured I'd just make my own and make me a remote one. So I had this old electric razor laying around. I took the cord off of it. Get it plugged right in there where the other plug-in would go. I'm going to take this little shoe mount and I'm going to solder the wires on the end of it. I ordered the Flashpoint R2 TTL transmitter for the Canon camera, and I also ordered the receiver also for my wireless setup. And we'll see how it behaves. I like the Flashpoint because of the extended range where I can move around with my camera and take pictures. The flash cord that was on it there sort of limits you about 10-15 feet was as far as you can move. So now this will give me a long extended range. And we gotta get the old soldering gun out and get it plugged up, get it going. We see if we can't solder these wires on here. Hello YouTube. This is the second part of me fixing a wireless remote for my Novatron 240D flash system. I had already went ahead and sorted this together before I realized I didn't turn my camera on. But what I done was I did manage to save the little PC connection cord to it. The original cord apparently just dry rotted and just fell apart. But I did find an old Schaefer cord that I no longer used. I cut the end of it off. And I did stick it in where it goes, the little hole it goes into, and it does now flash. And I do have the Flashpoint receiver, and I also have the Flashpoint transmitter also, and I've done put batteries in these already. I'm going to go ahead and turn these on, and we're going to take this out of the little vise here. I'm going to slide this in and see to make sure this is going to work or not. Okay, yeah. Clamp it down here. Let's see if it's going to work. And it does work. According to the status, now let's push this one. Make sure it's going to. Are we on the same channel? Flash ain't cycled back up yet. But I do believe it will work. I got to insulate the connection, and I do believe we'd be good to go. And we'll sign off and have a nice day. And if you have any suggestions on what kind of content we want to get, I want to start to do some sunrises and sunsets and some other projects